Dear learner, in this video you are going to learn to build or assign a classification number or class number in short for a document using DDC, that is DV Decimal Classification System. Let us watch a short video to know about the purpose of classification. So in this video it is clear that instead of arranging a books based on its titles, we are going to arrange the books based on the subjects. How? For each and every subject we have to provide or assign a classification number. So classification is nothing but a coding a subject. So there are different types of classification systems are available. One famous system is devised by father of library science in India, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. That system called as colon classification system. That is also called as analytico-synthetic classification system. But here the widely used DV decimal system follows enumerative classification system. So in your examination hall you will be provided with a 3-volume set of DDC, that is DV decimal classification system, and the question cum answer booklet. So questions will be there, title of a book would be there, and 7 titles they will give, and you have to write the class number using this DV decimal classification system, and you have to do the digit by digit analysis also. So this is the model answer paper I have prepared, and these are all the titles: labor law in India, genetic engineering, museum architecture, criminal offences in Bangladesh, and class number assigned. And another important thing is they will give you one space for rough work also. So at the end of the booklet they will provide you space for rough work also. So for example, labor law in India, the class number would be 344.5401, and when we say digit by digit analysis, this 344 stands for social law and 0.01 stands for labor law, and this 54 stands for India from table 2. So these things we will see elaborately now. So once again I am repeating, assigning a code for a subject. Classification in the context of library and information science is nothing but assigning a code for a subject or content or information irrespective of the forms. So the subject may be, the information may be in any form. It may be in a book, it may be in a periodical, journal, newspaper clipping, it may be art fact, or it may be a it may be in digital form. So whatever the form may be, the information available in whichever the form may be, we have to provide a class number based on the subject matter. So this will help us in storing and retrieving the document. And DDC is one of the widely used classification system which uses 0 to 9 as notations for coding a particular subject. So this 19th edition of DDC, Dewey Decimal Classification System, that is hereafter we will say only DDC, has 3 volumes. And it's always better to access hard copy from your nearby libraries, or ask your nearby library professionals how to get hard copies in near university libraries or district central libraries. It will be always better to access hard copy for practicing this Dewey Decimal Classification. But if you are a tech savvy, and I won't advocate for downloading the PDF versions, though it is available, but in as a last option you can go for downloading the PDF versions available in internetarchive.org. This is the website of archive.org, archive.org. So in this internetarchive.org you can type the keyword enter the URL or keyword in the search option provided here. So you can download it from here. That we will I have already given it in the notes which I have shared with you already. Okay.